Alright, so when you open After Effects, you'll see a few key areas. First up is the project panel, where all your assets live. Think of it like your library. Then at the bottom, we've got the timeline panel. This is where all your animation magic happens. And finally, in the center, the composition panel is your main preview area. Whatever you add to the timeline shows up here. Now, let's set up your composition. Head over to Composition, New Composition, set the width to 1920, the height to 1080, and let's go with 10 seconds long. Click OK, and just like that, you've got a brand new composition to work with. Isn't that exciting? You're ready to start creating. Finally, let's bring in some assets. Just go to File, Import, File, grab what you want, images, video, audio, and they'll pop up in your project panel. And that's a wrap for episode 1. You've tackled the basics of the After Effects interface, key tools, and even created your first project. Next up, we'll start animating with keyframes, the real fun part. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in episode 2.